Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. So today I have a very different video for you. It's gonna be unboxing. I ordered some items from SHEIN, so I'm gonna unbox with you. Yeah, so the first item I ordered was the Bluetooth earphones. Yeah, that's the main reason why I ordered by the online, because I wanted to test them out because the price was cheap and I was like, oh, let me try them out. I also added two more items, the earrings and also the glasses, and they didn't cost that much. And I'll indicate the prices down here, and you see I'll indicate the prices in dollars, US dollars. So those are the earrings. They're like 30 pairs. They look so cute. I like them so much. There are 30 pairs. And I also ordered sunglasses. I like them so much because they seem to be durable. According to their appearance, they seem to be durable. Yeah, those are the glasses I ordered. I like them so much. They look so cute on me. I'm gonna insert a pic and you see how they looked on me. And those are my Bluetooth earphones. I like them so much. What I expected is what I got. I like them so much. Yeah, they seem to be durable. I've tried using them, and the battery can, when it's fully charged, when they're fully charged, the battery can stay like for 3 to 4 hours. For me, I use one at a time. Then the other one, when it's done, when the battery is done, I connect another one. So I can spend a day minus charging. So according to its price, I recommend it. Thank you guys for watching.